Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever thought that a few tiny, ordinary looking fennel seeds sitting in your spice cabinet could actually change how you feel after every meal? Most of us only think of fennel seeds as that little bowl you get after dinner at an Indian or Middle Eastern restaurant or something you toss into tea for flavor. But today, I am going to show you a way to use fennel seeds that you have probably never heard of, and it could genuinely benefit your health. Before you scroll past this, do me a favor. Go grab a few fennel seeds from your kitchen right now. Place these tiny seeds under your tongue and let's see together how something this small can wake up your mouth, your brain, and your entire digestive system. Over the next few minutes, something almost magical is going to happen inside your body. But I want to be clear. This is not magic, it's a science. In today's video, we are going backed by research to break down exactly what happens to your nerves, glands, and digestive systems when you hold fennel seeds under your tongue for just 5 minutes. The first few seconds. The moment you tuck those fennel seeds under your tongue, within seconds, you will notice a sweet, slightly unusual flavor. But the real action is not just about taste. It's about the moist tissue under your tongue. That area is incredibly sensitive, and science tells us that anything placed there has a fast track straight into your bloodstream and nervous system. Fennel seeds contain a compound called anethole. As soon as the seeds get moist, this anethole and other aromatic oils start releasing. These molecules send signals to your taste receptors and, more importantly, to your trigeminal nerve, the largest sensory nerve in your head, responsible for detecting temperature, pressure, and tingling sensation. That is why fennel is not hot or cold, yet it gives you that refreshing, cooling feeling in your mouth. That is your brain processing these signals and preparing your body for the benefits to come. The role of saliva. Here is what it gets interesting. As those aromatic oils touch your nerves, your brain immediately signals your salivary glands to kick into gear. You will notice your mouth getting wetter. That is more saliva being produced. But saliva is not just water. Research shows it contains minerals, mucus, protective proteins, and enzymes that actually start breaking down food before it even reaches your stomach. Saliva protects your teeth, washes every odor-causing parasites, and helps balance your mouth's pH level. If you have just had a heavy metal, garlic, onions, or a cup of coffee, this 5-minute ritual can genuinely freshen your breath. It's not a replacement of brushing your teeth, but in a pinch, it is a fantastic natural mouth freshener that gives you instant freshness. Your body's digestion control room. Now, for the part that might really surprise you, how much this affects digestion. A lot of people assume digestion only starts once a food hits the stomach, but science says otherwise. This is called the cephalic phase of digestion. It means that as soon as you taste and smell the fennel, your brain anticipates that food is coming and sends a signal to your stomach that essentially says, "Get ready." This triggers the release of stomach acid and digestive juices. This early preparation actually improves how well you digest your next meal. That is exactly why so many cultures around the world have served fennel or other seeds after meals for centuries. It is not just tradition. For tradition's sake, there is a real science behind it. It gives your digestive system a wake-up call, fully activating it so it can process food more efficiently. Taste meets smell. Retronasal olfaction. While those fennel seeds sits under your tongue, another fascinating process is happening called retronasal olfaction. Try slowly breathing in through your nose while the seeds are in your mouth. As you exhale, the volatile compounds from the fennel travel from the back of your throat up into your nasal passage. That is why the flavor feels so much richer. Your taste buds and smell receptors are working together at the same time. Ever notice how food tastes bland when you have a stuffy nose from a cold? That is because your tongue is still working fine, but the smell signals are not reaching your brain. Fennel reactivates this process and sharpens your senses, giving you a fuller, more vivid experience of flavor. Mental calm and digestion, mindfulness. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the fennel seeds will start to soften. At this point, gently move them around with your tongue. This small action actually teaches your mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, we eat too quickly, barely chew our food, and scroll our phones while doing it. The result, we swallow more air and our brain takes longer to signal that we are full, leading to overeating and bloating. This 5-minute pause with the fan slows your breathing down and makes you more aware of what's happening inside your body. The sense of calm helps reduce bloating and gas. It's not a magic pill. It's a simple practice that soothes your nervous system, calms your mind, and helps you reconnect with your body. Chewing and fennel benefits. Once your 5 minutes are up, you can either spit the seeds out or slowly chew and swallow them. When you chew them, you release a final burst of those oil along with more saliva, which is great for digestion. Many people report that the heavy, sluggish feeling after a meal fades away. Science backs up was actually an ancient time-tested remedy. Fennel really is excellent for digestion. It is a simple sensory ritual that cleans your mouth, freshens your breath, and leaves you feeling settled after eating. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties are also great for oral health. This small habit, added to your daily routine, can genuinely boost your overall well-being. A few important safety notes. As with any wellness trick, there are a few precautions worth keeping in mind. Choking hazard. Only do this while sitting up. Never keep seeds in your mouth while lying down, driving, or falling asleep. This could become a choking risk. If you are allergic to fennel, carrots, or celery, skip this entirely. Don't try it if you have any non-allergy to related plants. Irritation. If you feel any burning, swelling, or difficulty breathing, remove the seeds immediately and rinse your mouth. If symptoms persist, see a doctor. For most people, a few fennel seeds are completely safe and genuinely beneficial. Keep these precautions in mind and you can enjoy the full benefits without worry. So there you have it. A few tiny fennel seeds, something most of us already have in our kitchen, can offer some surprising benefits. Just 5 minutes under your tongue can improve digestion, freshen your breath, and calm your mind. It's not complicated or expensive. It is a simple gift from nature that we often overlook. Add this small habit to your daily routine and you might notice a real difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. So next time you finish a meal, take 5 minutes and give this fennel seed trick a try. It is a small but powerful gift for your health, your digestion, and your mental clarity. Fennel is cheap and easy to find almost anywhere, so why not take full advantage of it? I hope you found this video helpful today. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from this simple technique too. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried using fennel this way? If so, what changes did you notice? Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you in the next video.